Hello guys, did you notice Ethereum skyrocketed 9% while Bitcoin barely flinches? That's right, Ethereum is doing its own thing and it's not just luck. In this video, I'll break it down for beginners, explain why developers are flocking to Ethereum and why it could be heading to new heights. Stick around, you might learn something that makes your portfolio smile. So Ethereum jumped 9% in just 24 hours. That's like your wallet suddenly saying, hey, I like this coin. Meanwhile, Bitcoin dipped a little. Ethereum is basically saying, I don't need you, Bitcoin. Ethereum has been showing signs of strength independently for a while, thanks to its growing ecosystem. But now, why is Ethereum acting differently? First off, the developer ecosystem. Thousands of developers are building on Ethereum, DeFi apps, NFTs, new layer 2 solutions. More developers equals more real-world use, equals more demand. Including number 2 would be Ethereum 2.0 and staking. With Ethereum's transition to proof of stake, people are locking up Ethereum, reducing supply. Less supply plus steady demand equals price pressure. Third, market sentiments. Investors are realizing Ethereum is not just a Bitcoin copy, it's a platform with utility. That's why Ethereum can surge even when Bitcoin dips. And here's the exciting part. Ethereum could hit new highs, and here's why. Massive DeFi growth. More apps equals more Ethereum used as gas fees. NFTs and gaming. Popular NFT platforms are mostly on Ethereum. That's more adoption. Institutional interest. Big players are adding Ethereum to their balance sheets. So in plain English, Ethereum is booming because people are using it, building on it, and locking it up. That's why it can surge independently of Bitcoin. If you're new, don't panic if Bitcoin dips. Watch Ethereum's ecosystem. It's growing fast and could surprise everyone. Now, I would like to hear from you. Do you think Ethereum will keep decoupling from Bitcoin? Are you holding Ethereum or Bitcoin right now? Drop a comment. I read every single one. If you learned something new today, please hit that like button and subscribe to help my channel grow. I'll break down crypto in a way that everybody can understand easily. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you in the next video.